So how much does it cost to repair a Nintendo Switch? Let's get into it. Hey guys, Dev Warrior here, and today I scoured across the deep and foreign lands of the internet to answer one question. How much does it cost to repair a Nintendo Switch? This video took a long time to make, so if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe and drop a like. Because out of the 2,000 people watching, it turns out that only 11% of you are subscribed. So, subscribe. Alright, so, I'm gonna admit it. I busted my Nintendo Switch. I don't know how, but the battery just stopped working and it didn't dock for a little bit, and now it just doesn't work. Like, it just won't turn on. Now, I did order a fixing kit and it's on its way, and it sent me back about $50, but I want to check on the internet and see how much would it cost to get somebody to repair it for me versus how much would it cost if I was willing to repair it myself. So as you can see, here we are on Google, and all we're going to do now is we are just going to search up Nintendo Switch repair, and let's see what pops up. So let's see. These guys over here at Wasabi Electronics, I've never heard of this place before, but they seem like a place that exists, so that's a start. So let's go over here and let's see what they're saying the pricing will be. So, having a problem with the Switch console, we can help and fix mostly any problem. Okay. I mean, if you throw it off the roof, then it might be a problem, but LCD replacement, charge port replacement. Not even the right charge port, but this USB-C, guys. Anyways, we won't read game, battery replacement. Yep. So what I want is a battery replacement. So we said we pick up your console. Yeah. All right. So, but let's see. What this cost though? So these guys didn't even list a price, which probably means it's expensive. And before. Alright, so if you look over here to this article, it says that Joy-Con drift can, okay, so you know there's a lot of hacks and stuff, but you can never really trust them. So here it's saying 44 dirhams, which is probably around maybe $11. So if you want to fix that, that's $11. And it's Amazon shipping, so you'll probably get it the next day. Well, this one's a type-free shipping, but yeah, you probably. Alright, let's see. Is there any other? Whoa. This guy's saying you can fix Joy-Con drift for $3. I think I've seen this video actually before. Yeah, I think I've seen this. I forgot about this. So, apparently you can fix Joy-Con drift for So apparently you can fix Joy-Con drift for $3, which is really, really good if you consider like usual prices and stuff. So $3, not bad to pay for Joy-Con drift. Oh yeah, this is Damn It Jeff. He's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm actually surprised that it only costs $3. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. And especially considering most of the stuff is probably going to be coming off of Amazon, then that means that, well, you're going to be saving a lot of money because so yeah, I mean, I think that this is probably gonna, let's see, so all the links are from Amazon actually. Well, this one's from eBay, but we're not gonna talk about that. Most of them are actually for Amazon, and I'm assuming Amazon probably gonna have some quick shipping. I mean, it depends on where you live, but it's definitely gonna have quicker shipping than Nintendo, who's getting these things sent back and forth time and time again. I think it's definitely gonna have quicker shipping. All right, next thing, how much would it cost to actually get a battery? So Nintendo Switch battery cost. Alright, so for those of you guys who don't know, a Nintendo Switch battery, I think, if I'm correct, should have 4,310 amps. Should be a 4,310 milliamp battery. So let's see what these guys on Amazon and other places have to say. So it's not correct. Alright, this is HJC 003. This looks correct. 4,310. So currently unavailable. Oh, okay. Anything that is available, like what? Where all the batteries go, like. Okay, so all the batteries are just out of stock on Amazon. So then, it doesn't help when you're trying to make a point and then everything else has to be out of stock the one time you want to do something. Alright, so these guys are Desert Cart, which is kind of like the... So these guys are Desert Cart, which is kind of like the Wish we have here, but it's definitely much more reliable. Since the shipping usually takes a couple weeks, maybe like 1 or 2 weeks, but it's definitely a lot more reliable than like a lot of other places and stuff. Basically, so here on Desert Cart, which is kind of like the Middle Eastern version of Wish, that means they're usually much more reliable though. You probably will never get scammed down here. The shipping just usually takes about a week or two. So here's Desert Cart, and let's see. So this battery right here, 4,310, 200 dirhams. That is about, well, let's see. So AED to USD. So let's see, how much would that be? So now if we say 222, so that's about $60. Not bad at all. Now let's see some of the other stuff. So HAC003. Now guys, the only thing about trying to find this kind of stuff online is that you gotta be really careful. Like, cause some of them are ripoffs. You gotta make sure it has the right voltage, and it is for the Nintendo Switch. Just because it has the right voltage doesn't mean it's automatic. Why is it the same? Okay, doesn't mean it's automatically for the Nintendo Switch. Now, see, so that was $60, and again, the repair cost $80. So you compare the two. Ooh, this one is 133. Let's see though. Is it? Oh, it's 4,310. What are the reviews saying though? My Switch stopped charging after sitting idle a bit. Nintendo wanted $120 to look at the issue and fix it. See? Yep, see this what this guy said? He said it works perfectly and fairly, and Nintendo wants to charge $120, which is way more than the other guys. So, I mean, yeah, let's see. Back to our AED to USD thing. What would 15? 119. So 120. Let's just round it to 120. So $32. So a Nintendo Switch battery, and I'm pretty sure this comes with everything else as well. Does it come with everything else? Yeah, it comes with all the tools I needed to unapply it. I think you probably need a hairdryer as well, but basically all the tools you need for the job for $32. Well, 33 actually. Well, about $33. $33. Now, again, if you wanted to get someone to repair it who isn't Nintendo for just the battery, that would set you back $80. And if you wanted to get Nintendo to repair it for you, like Nintendo themselves, that would set you back $120. So as you can see here, you're saving money by trying. You're actually saving money by replacing it yourself. I mean, as long as you have like at least one brain cell. I mean, as long as you have at least like 10 brain cells in your mind, and you aren't like a complete dumbass, and then, because if you are, then maybe this isn't for you. But if you know what you're doing, if you know how to replace something in Nintendo Switch, you're gonna end up saving a lot of money and probably a lot of time as well. Because I know Nintendo, they're probably gonna everything in Nintendo is probably gonna be really slow. And a lot of these repair companies, you have to send it and then send it back, so it's gonna be slow. Whereas you're just buying one thing and replacing it then and there, so you're saving money and time by not only for drift but also for the unit itself to repair it. Now, if you would like to see me try to find prices on the motherboard or other parts in the Switch, let me know in the comments below, as well as if there's anything else you would like to see me do how much does it cost to repair on. But yeah, this is the first episode in the series of how much does it cost to repair. Hope you enjoyed. Definitely be sure to leave a like. And yeah, let me know if you want to see more. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, definitely be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace! Also, it's been exactly 1 year. What? Not two. Sorry. Exactly 1 year since I started this channel. I just want to say thank you to all of you guys who have been supporting me. All 160, actually now 70, 170 of you. Thank you.